Holy shit! I slept for 12 hours? Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Justin Tran, vlogs number 2. And we are at the mail post right now, putting mail. I'm taking my dad to dialysis. It's like every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's on a rainy day, so I'll be vlogging in the traffic if there any traffic on the highway. Got off at the dialysis, and he already went in, so I'm sitting here vlogging right now before I drive home and do nothing, and then we can go back. No, not go back. Go to my friend's house and chill with him, and then pick up my dad after that too. Peace out. Hey guys, I ended up not going to my friend's house, and we are about to go pick up my dad. Then after that, we're gonna go pick up my friend from work. It's been one boring day. Whew. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. So I end up not picking up my friend, but I did pick up my dad from the dialysis though. And this is gonna be the last vlog for today. Catch up me next time. Vlog number 3 tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this damn motherfucking video. And we out. Peace.